Ladies and gentlemen and the distinguished members, we are now moving to the most exciting part of the ceremony, the Data Quest Digital Leader Awards, where we felicitate leaders in important categories for their outstanding contribution to the realm of technology. Data Quest Digital Leader Awards are also popularly known as the Data Quest Vertical Warriors. So moving now to our first category, which is the Digital Warrior in the Large Enterprise category. And the award goes to Ashish Desai, CIO, Grasim Industries Limited, for an impressive role in successfully leveraging IoT in manufacturing areas and showcasing how to reduce MTTR, MTBF, and avoid procurement of new equipment by predictive alerts. Our next category, Digital Warrior in the Chemical category, and the award goes to Dr. Makarand Sawant, Senior GM, IIT Deepak Fertilizers and Petrochemicals Corporation, for using digitization at scale and towards the concept of a smart factory with compelling results like overall improvement in plant OEE, OPE, and quality, and improved business continuity. Our next category is the Digital Warrior in the Automotive sector, and the award goes to Ajit Singh Nawale, Head IIT Mahindra CIE Automotive Limited. Transformed customer communication and slashed costs through strong use of RPA, achieved savings of 2 to 3 hours daily from multiple divisions and 2 to 3 FTEs from multiple divisions on real time. Our next category, Digital Warrior in the Manufacturing sector, and the award goes to Sharad Kumar Agarwal, CIO, JK Tyre. Embraced a versatile birth of technologies like SD-WAN, fleet management, and RPA. Our next category, Digital Warrior PSU, and the award goes to Mr. CK Prasad, Regional GM and Head IT, Railtel. Illustrates a solid used recipe of infrastructure as a code, and HCI gains significant cuts in infrastructure spending and vendor lock-in. Our next category, Digital Warrior Industry 4.0, and the award goes to Mr. Yogesh Dadke, APAC IT Leader, Adient. A fascinating example of an IT team that only solves real problems. Staggering work in achieving business outcomes in all areas like compliance and control rollout, EUC security, policy rollout, preventive and predictive SCM support in driving Industry 4.0. Winning the award in the Digital Warrior Large Enterprise category, we have the winner, Mr. Rajiv Arora. He is Global IT Hub Head, Siemens AG from the company Siemens. Empowered the business in executing an ambitious workplace transformation and delivered enhanced collaboration, productivity, and scalability. In the category Digital Warrior Customer Experience, the award goes to Benita Prasad, Head IT, Sani Heavy Industries India Private Limited. Compelling example of using creative tools with self-service teams for elevating communication and making it very fast on various inquiries and service calls. In the category Digital Warrior Cooperative Banks, the winner is Dimple Satwan, Chief Information Security Officer at Saraswat Cooperative Bank Limited. A very impressive case of bolstering security in a 360-degree way by not impeding but smoothing areas like customer service and speed with security. In the category Digital Warrior Financial Services, the award goes to Dr. Mukesh Mehta, Chief Technology Officer, Batliwala and Karani Securities Limited. Advocate of IT that has deployed CRM research, automations, HCI implementation, 10G network upgrades, infra refresh with distinctive impact. in the category Digital Warriors Engineering Services. The winner is Sandeep Jamdagni, CIO, Ashiana Holdings. Empowered salespeople with early conversations with customers through the formula of real-time info and personalization by transforming CRM in successful way. Our next category now is Digital Warrior IT and ITES, and the winner is Archie Jackson, Senior Director, Head of IT and Security at Inseego. An impactful case of how to do security right with forensic, offensive-based approaches also shows brilliant use of end-to-end SaaS. Our next category, ladies and gentlemen, Digital Warrior Media. And the winner is Sarbani Bhatia, Senior Vice President, IT, Jagran Prakash Limited. A clear-cut example of how advertising revenues can be given tech-enabled strengths. Successful implementation of various services and apps in solving business people issues on a daily basis. Our next award, Digital Warrior Business Consulting, goes to a stalwart in this industry, Arnab Babu, CIO, KPMG India. A lovely recipe of how to make sure people can work at scale with zero drop in productivity. This one shows how intelligent workplaces and hot desking should be used. Our next category, Digital Warrior Financial Services, and the award goes to V. Sendil Kumar, CTO, Shriram Capital Limited. A great example of using customized approach for digitalization for various business services and functions. Horses for courses in IT, here they gallop. Our next category, Digital Warrior Government, and the award goes to Nitin Vishnu Chaudhary, Scientist and District Information Officer for the National Informatics Center, Akola, Government of India organization. Tells the best role and use of IT, how to make sure the businesses keep running well with the pandemic readiness. Our next category, ladies and gentlemen, Digital Warrior FMCG, and the award goes to Mr. Vishal Jain, Head of IT and Infra, Field Fresh Food. How do you crack implementation time, reduce dependencies and use SLAs well to use the power of cloud, but without its flip side with reduced outages and increased uptime towards business? And here's how. Moving to our next category, Digital Warrior in the IT and ITES space, and we have another winner here. It is Mr. Umesh Bhavkar, who is the Senior Director Systems and CIO for Cinecron Technologies. An amazing example of how agility leads to business resilience, ensured 100% business continuity with rapid scaling up of IT infrastructure. Our next category, Digital Warrior in Life Sciences, and the winner is Dipesh Thakkar, CBO, CIO, Merrill Life Sciences. A compelling instance of how business continuity can be achieved and how digital assets can be centralized with rapid business results and differentiators. Moving on to the next category, Digital Warrior Cloud, and the winner is Sheji Thomas, Regional Head of Technology APAC at Technicolor India Private Limited. It's never easy for the animation and gaming industry to use the VFA format, but when you do that with 100% functionality and zero security incidents, you prove yet again that IT can change the game for business. The next category, Digital Warrior SMB, and the winner is Subodh Jha, GM, Wheels EMI Private Limited. created eye-catching customer service impact and business speed with remarkable use of ERP and digital transformation tools. And we have another winner in the Digital Warrior SMB category, and that is Mr. Manjunath Prasad, Head IIT from TV Sundaram Iyengar and Sons. Cost optimization along with end user productivity, yes, that can happen simultaneously, as this organization's IT leadership has marvelously proven just that. And ladies and gentlemen, for the final award in this list in the category Digital Warrior in the vertical of education, the award goes to Anand Rohela, Head IT, Sikkim Manipal University. Setting up telemedicine and remote work infrastructure can indeed become pivots for the world during these challenging times. IT's best shots go right to the pain points here and fixes it all. Well, with that, we come to the end of the award ceremony, and I congratulate all the winners for doing such remarkable things in their vertical.